One of the most common mistakes students make in research happens before they even begin writing. It happens when choosing the research topic. Many learners select topics that are either too broad, too vague, or too complicated. And when that happens, the entire research process becomes much more difficult than it needs to be. So in this video, we are going to look at how to choose a strong research topic step by step. A good research topic has three important characteristics. It should be clear, it should be focused, and it should be interesting enough to explore. Let's begin with the first principle: clarity. Your research topic should be easy to understand. If a topic sounds confusing or overly complicated, it will likely become difficult to research. For example, imagine choosing a topic such as technology. This topic is far too broad. Technology includes thousands of different areas: artificial intelligence, social media, cybersecurity, digital learning, and many others. A topic that broad will quickly become overwhelming. Instead, research works best when the topic is narrowed down. For instance, instead of researching technology, you might explore the impact of social media on student concentration. Now the topic is clearer and easier to investigate. The second principle is focus. A strong research topic should concentrate on a specific issue. If the topic covers too many ideas at once, it becomes difficult to organize the research. For example, a topic such as the effects of technology on society is still too broad. But if we refine it further, it might become how social media affects the study habits of secondary school students. Now the topic is focused. It identifies a specific area, a specific issue, and a specific group. This makes the research much easier to manage. The third principle is interest. Research takes time. You will be reading sources, analyzing information, and thinking carefully about the topic. If the topic does not interest you at all, the process will feel exhausting. Choosing a topic that genuinely sparks your curiosity makes research much more engaging. Ask yourself simple questions such as, what topics do I enjoy learning about? What issues affect students or society today? What questions would I like to understand better? These questions can help you identify a topic that feels meaningful to explore. Another useful strategy is to move from a broad idea to a focused question. For example, you might begin with a general area such as education. Then you narrow it to online learning. Then you refine it further to how online learning affects student motivation. This process of narrowing your topic is one of the most important skills in research. It transforms a vague idea into a clear direction. Once your topic is focused, the next step will be turning it into a research question. And that is something we will explore in the next video. Because a strong research question guides the entire research process. It helps you decide what information to look for and what evidence is most relevant. But it all begins with choosing the right topic. A clear topic leads to clearer research. If you would like a structured guide that helps you plan and organize your research step by step, my Research Starter Toolkit is available in the About section of this channel. It is designed for learners aged 13 and above, as well as adult beginners who want a clear foundation in research. On this channel, we will continue breaking down research skills into simple and practical explanations. If that would help you build stronger research confidence, consider subscribing. Because when research begins with clarity, the entire process becomes easier to manage.